In a bustling city nestled between mountains and rivers, lived a young explorer named Alex. From a young age, Alex was fascinated by stories of ancient civilizations and hidden treasures. His room was decorated with maps and artifacts collected from distant lands, each one telling stories from the past. One fateful day, Alex receives a mysterious package. Inside was a weather map depicting a remote forest rumored to hold Azura's legendary amulet, a powerful artifact that gave its bearer the ability to control the elements. Alex's eyes widened with excitement as he recognized the significance of this discovery. Determined to uncover the truth behind the legend, Alex packs his things and sets out on an expedition into the jungle. Armed with his trusty backpack, a compass, and a thirst for adventure, he set out into the unknown. The journey was difficult with dense vegetation, towering trees, and strange sounds echoing through the air. Nevertheless, Alex pressed on, guided by the map's cryptic clues. Along the way, he encounters local tribes who tell stories of the amulet but warn of its guardians, the ancient spirits of the forest. Driven by curiosity and a sense of purpose, Alex navigates treacherous terrain, solves puzzles left behind by ancient civilizations, and dodges cunning traps laid to protect the amulet. At every step, he felt closer to unraveling the mystery. One moonlit night, deep in the forest, Alex stumbles upon a huge temple, decorated with intricate carvings. According to the map, this amulet was the final resting place of Azura. With a quick breath, Alex entered the temple, his heart pounding in anticipation. Inside, the air was fragrant, shadows danced across the ancient stone walls, and whispers of the past echoed through the hall. As Alex ventures deeper, he faces trials that test his wits and courage, solving puzzles, overcoming obstacles, and forging alliances with spectral guardians. Finally, at the heart of the temple, Alex discovers a hidden chamber, bathed in a soft blue glow. There, atop a stone pedestal, lies Azura's legendary amulet, a glowing gem that pulses with elemental power. With trembling hands, Alex reached out and grabbed the amulet, feeling its energy travel through it. But the journey was far from over. As Alex makes his way back through the forest, he encounters a rival treasure hunter who seeks the amulet for deeper purposes. A thrilling chase ensues, with Alex easily escaping the trap and using the amulet's mystical abilities to overtake his foe. Finally, back in the city, Alex realizes the true significance of his adventure. Amulet was not just a prize to keep, but a key to unlocking the secrets of the past and preserving the wonders of nature. As Alex returns home, he resolves to continue his exploration with a renewed respect for the world's mysteries. Because he knew that the greatest treasures are not gold or gems, but stories waiting to be uncovered in the corners of the earth. And with Azura's amulet with her, Alex's next adventure was already calling her into the unknown.